Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 11. This is Section 3.6, Problem 11. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 2 5/8. So when you have a whole number with it, this is the first one in this homework set where we had this, just keep the number, and I know it's going to be 2 point something, just deal with the fraction. Now, like I mentioned with all these, if you have a calculator that you can use, you can just take the fraction numerator, divide by the denominator equals, and you'll get your decimal very easily. Now, there are plenty of teachers that say, well, you can't use the calculator, so this is what you would do. You turn the fraction into a division. So I'll set up my division symbol. The numerator of the fraction goes in the division symbol underneath, and the denominator goes out in front. And you set up that division. Now, you start off, you want to divide 8 into 5. Well, 5 is not big enough. 8 won't fit in. So write the 5 as a 5.0 and treat it as a 50. So that decimal that we put in, you can bring it straight up into the answer. So 8 will divide into 50. 6 times 8 is 48. That's as close as you'll get. So I put a 6 on top, 6 times 8, 48 underneath. I'm going to subtract. 50 minus 48 is 2. So it didn't go in evenly. So what I can do now is add another 0 to the number in the division symbol, 5.00, and bring it straight down. That 0 comes down next to the 2, and now it's 20. So 8 divides into 20. Well, it'll go in twice. 2 times 8 is 16. And now 20 minus 16 is 4. So it still didn't go in evenly. I can add yet another 0. I can keep going. I can put as many zeros as I need to. Put in another 0, bring it down next to my answer, next to the 4, so it turns into a 40. And now 8 will divide into 40 evenly. It goes in 5 times. So I put a 5 up on top. 5 times 8 is 40. And now when I subtract 40 minus 40, I get a 0. So now it went in. So don't forget, the answer is not 0.625 because originally the problem had the 2 in front. It's 2 5/8. The 5/8 part of it is 0.625. It was 2 5/8. So my answer is 2.625. So 2 5/8 as a fraction is written like that, 2 5/8. As a decimal, it's 2.625.